Hello everyone, today's video is all about second mover advantage. So never mind first mover advantage, which I think most people are familiar with, particularly amongst the tech stocks, the disruptors. They get in first, build a moat around their business and reap the rewards, but it's not always best to be the first. So let's consider what we're calling second mover advantage. So just to give you a couple of examples recently, a car manufacturer whose share price has absolutely taken off in the last few months, and it is Volkswagen. Now, these guys have announced that they will get into the electric car market in a big way and unveiled plans for 30 different types of electric cars across all their brands. Now remember, VW owns the Audi brand, the Porsche brand, Seat and Skoda, and of course VW as well. And there's big plans for electric cars, and their share price has really skyrocketed since the start of this year. So let's have a look at another company which has online content subscribers, a streaming service. It's signed up 100 million subscribers in the last year. It's not Netflix, Disney Plus. Took Netflix 10 years to acquire that level of subscribers. Disney Plus has done it in a year. So there are benefits from being the second into these markets, not necessarily the first. Look at Volkswagen, got the advantage of all the huge production facilities all over the world, trusted brands. All they've got to do is do some conversion into a bit of changing the technology, but a lot of the logistics are already there to really get into the electric cars in a big way. When Disney Plus launched, a lot of people said, look, too little, too late. You're never going to get ahead of Netflix. They're already done all this. Well, look, in 1 year, 100 million subscribers. So it doesn't always pay to be first. You can still come in behind and reap the rewards. So second movers, as we call them, have two big strengths. First of all, they can learn from the mistakes from the first movers, and they can also copy what they got right. And it tends to be also that these second movers have deep pockets. I mean, Volkswagen and Disney been around for years. So these firms that people might have thought of as sleepy giants, they've got the resources, they've got the capabilities to get into these exciting, disruptive markets and really do well and challenge the likes of Tesla and of Netflix. So let's see what happens in those markets respectively. But I guess this video is part of the theme on investing. This isn't anything from a tax break point of view or anything like that. It's just purely talking about investments and how we often get excited about first mover advantage, disruptive technology, particularly in tech stocks. But I'm saying don't always think that it's game over for everyone else once you've got these pioneers, because you have often these established firms, companies come in and say, look, we can do that. And the case in point, the share prices of VW and of Disney have really done well. I mean, the Disney Plus streaming, the 100 million subscribers since the start of the pandemic really is just phenomenal. So don't write off whole firms, think that they are sleepy behemoths that haven't got a chance of competing with their younger rivals. Not necessarily true. So just something to ponder over, making a few waves in the investment world right now. So if you like this video, please do, as always, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you soon.